Hi, I'm Paul Harris and my business is Sunland Cattle Company and Marcel Cliff Property Development use CT Harris & Company as their Chief Financial Officer and Accountant. Sunland Cattle Company owns and operates 2 large cattle properties in the Central Queensland region and specialises in Wagyu cattle. Marcel Cliff Property Development is involved in residential subdivision and has developed over 340 lots in the Rockhampton region. Through over 50 years I have been in the business, I have learned several important lessons which I believe underpin all successful businesses. First, you as a business owner cannot do everything yourself. You only have 24 hours a day and it is simply impossible to grow a business without the help of others, whether they be staff or professional service providers. In my business, I use CT Harris & Company as my Chief Financial Officer and Accountant. In this role, Chris and his team take care of payroll, issue invoices, pay bills, generate financial reports, in addition to preparing and lodging business activity statements and income tax returns, and regularly communicate with me so I can keep my finger on the financial pulse of my businesses. Constantly having a clear picture of my financial position has enabled me to make investments in my business, and banks enjoy working with me, as I can always show them accurate and up-to-date reports about how my financial affairs are. Secondly, business owners must always learn to innovate if their business is going to survive and thrive. If you continue to do the same thing year after year, you will soon be out of business. For me, having the team at CT Harris & Company taking care of the day-to-day financial affairs of my business has freed up my time, which I use to focus on innovation, which has paid big dividends in recent years. For example, with my cattle business, I have also been able to learn about different strategies to implement on my properties. With the result, the carrying capacity has increased greatly, and also including the cleaner. This has greatly increased the carrying capacity and profit. I also devote significant time to learn to improve the genetics of my herd, which can increase stock quality and profit. These innovations would not have been possible if I had been personally involved in the day-to-day financial roles within the business. For those getting into business today, I strongly recommend that you never stop learning. Commit yourself to staying at the cutting edge of your field. Always surround yourself with people who are working hard and going the same direction, as they will help you understand things and keep motivated to achieve your aims. Finally, make sure you have access to business advice you can trust. I cannot underestimate the importance of having a good accountant like Chris, who can help you understand your business financial position and provide advice about key business and investment decisions.